The first thing is you definitely want to make sure that you shake your bottle. Personally, it's always best to pour it out to make sure that everything is nice and mixed up. Reason for that is we want to make sure that you guys maximize your results, that you get the most out of every single bottle of our product. You want to make sure that you work the product from root to tip. Remember, there's no preservatives, there's no water, no alcohol, so you don't need to glob on product. A little bit goes a long way, as you'll see in this video. Once you get towards the end of applying the treatment, you definitely want to go back and make sure you paint over, make sure that everything is covered, make sure that everything is covered from root to tip. You definitely want to make sure that you show your ends some love as well too, as this product is meant to handle the whole entire head of hair that you have. Also, you want to make sure that you give yourself a massage, or whoever's applying the product to your scalp gives you a massage as well. You want to make sure that your head is nice and those follicles are nice and stimulated. Once you're done massaging the product into your scalp, you would definitely want to make sure that you cover it with a plastic cap, or if you have a scarf or anything that you want to use. I prefer to use a plastic cap. And as you can see the results before and after, she definitely has a lot of shine, a lot of body, a lot of volume. The hair is definitely a lot stronger than it was beforehand. But remember, this is just one of many ways. We will definitely be following up with more videos to show you how you can maximize your results, how to apply the treatment. So enjoy.